and I always drink caffeine free, so I was so excited to be able to find. I think I am just a noise magnet every single time I'm doing a video. Hi Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video, guys, is just going to be a very quick what's in my bag. So if you have not checked out my unboxing of this cute little tote, I will leave a link below so you can check out my first impressions as well as the story behind this cute little tote. Today is also Think Pink Thursday in my Facebook group, the Dooney Den, where we all pulled out our pink bags and or accessories. So several of you guys requested a what fits, so I'm just gonna do a very quick in-car what's in my bag. So let me just share with you what I have. So here is how I have her packed. And as you can see, she holds tons. So basically, this is the Dooney Bourke pink ribbon tote. And it's made out of this plasticky type material, but very, very substantial, guys. Very substantial. So I am just so excited to be carrying this for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And normally I switch out my bags every day, but for the month of October, I may carry this a couple of times a week just to show my support for the survivors and for also any of our divas who have lost the battle to breast cancer. So let's just very quickly go inside. And there is no closure on this tote. It's just wide open. So let me just see. I am carrying my Florentine leather zip around cell phone wallet in the color violet. So I thought that that paired very nicely with the tote. And for my cosmetics case, I pulled out my mystery cosmetics case. This is an item that I ordered maybe a couple of years ago, and it was a mystery item. It did not have a picture or anything. It was kind of like you get what you get. So I was pretty excited to get this. So this I just use as a catch-all. I have my Tylenol and some lip balm. You guys, I want to share with you something really cute that I picked up from Dunkin' Donuts the other day. This is a little EOS type deal here, but it is pumpkin flavored, and this is really, really good. I think I'm going to go back and pick up just another set. It came in a set of 2. So I was so excited to be able to have that. I just thought it was just so cute and a nice little thingamajiggy to go in your cosmetics case. So next, I just have some hand lotion. This is normally what I use for travel. I fill it up with some hand lotion, and I'm almost out. And then I have my prescription sunglasses, and those fit perfectly. And then I love these pistachio, guys. This is the salt and pepper, and I get this from Walgreens, and they had them on sale for like $5.99 for this large 14-ounce bag. It's normally like 11 bucks, so almost half price. Next, what I have, I was actually in Publix the other day, and I am a faithful tea drinker, and I always do caffeine free. And I was so excited to be able to find this by Tivana, Peach Tranquility. And you guys, wow, one of the best teas that I have ever tasted. So, and then the fact that it is caffeine free is another plus for me. And then let's see, I have my keys here and my key fob that I have on my vintage Dooney Bourke little coin pouch that I have my car key fob housed on the inside, and it is absolutely a perfect fit. So, and let's see what else we have. And I have my clipper and also my Suz duck here in this cute little pouch. And then, let's see, I went to the doctor this morning and just to get my normal annual checkup thingy. And I am in the process of getting genetic testing for hereditary breast, ovarian, and uterine cancer, and then also genetic testing for just any type of hereditary cancer. So that's what these booklets are. I go next week to do the little swab. So basically, I don't know if I'm nervous about this or not, but it will pretty much tell you if you possibly have the genetic makeup hereditary type for any of these cancers. So, but I always say it's best to know than not to know. And the reason I'm doing this is because I do have a very strong history of breast cancer in my family. I've lost some family members due to it, as well as I have family members now that are fighting the disease. So I thought that it would be good for me to, you know, just kind of know what type of risk I'm at. So I am pretty excited but nervous at the same time about that. So I'm just gonna pack this back up. So I can head to lunch. Then I'm just gonna throw this on top for now. And then here are my keys. So anyway, guys, as you can see, this tote holds tons. And again, I am so excited to be able to carry this for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And I think that it is perfect. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And please be sure to go and get your annual mammogram, and also make it a practice of doing your at-home self exams, because we all know that early detection saves lives. So anyway, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.